Hello Wolfpack! I'm Stephanie from Crown Wolf Creations, and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my personalized children nightlights using my xTool P2S. For this project, you'll need a wooden LED light base and a 5mm clear acrylic sheet. Let's get started. First, I place the acrylic into my laser and prepare the design. For my design, I create two copies, one for engraving and one for cutting the outline. I export the artwork as a PNG file and the outline as a SVG file. This is important because the PNG files can be engraved while the SVG files allow us to create the cut path. Next, I open the xTool Creative Space and select my material. One thing I love about the xTool is that they already have a large library of materials with recommended settings built in. For this project, I'm using the 5mm clear acrylic settings. After refreshing the workspace so my machine can see the material, I upload my design files and line everything up. I also bring in the original artwork temporarily so I can ensure the engraving and the cut lines are perfectly aligned. Once everything looks right, I remove the reference image. Since I didn't have the exact dimensions of my acrylic piece, I used the LED base as a guide and marked the maximum width with a small piece of tape. I also create a simple square to use as a guide in the software so I can easily center my design around the material. Before starting, I double check that the outline is set to cut and the artwork is set to engrave. Now for the fun part. Let's make the nightlight. The xTool P2S handles both the engraving and the cutting in one job, which makes the process incredibly simple. Once it's finished, I clean off any residue, place the acrylic into the LED base, and it's ready to go. This particular design is available in my Etsy store and can be personalized with any name. What do you think of the final result? Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to create next. Thanks for watching, Wolfpack. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next creation. Alpha Steph, out.